Anton recently discovered a fascinating set of letters. The set, filled with small English letters, intrigued him. Anton meticulously wrote each letter from his set in a single line. He began with an opening curved bracket and ended with a closing one. Each letter was separated by a comma and a space. However, Anton sometimes repeated letters, forgetting he had already written them. Anton needs help counting the distinct letters in his set. The task is simple. Identify unique letters between the brackets. Despite the line's length not exceeding 1,000 characters, the challenge lies in filtering out duplicates. The goal is to determine the total number of unique letters Anton has collected. Let's explore how to count distinct letters in a set using a simple example. Start with the set. Sh-A-B-A-B. First, remove the brackets using swan to one, resulting in A-B-A-B. Next, split the string by commas to get A-A-B-A-B. Use dot strip to remove spaces, yielding A-B-A-B. Convert this list to a set with set, keeping only unique letters jia A, B. Finally, count the items using len. The result is 2 distinct letters.